How to send PayPal money to my Wise account just in some second with help of my PC here. For this I will click on the PayPal official website and open it on my browser. As you can see, this is the first website, that is PayPal official, and now you have to click on your PayPal account. This is home page. You can see my balance, you can see my name here, and what I have to do is click on the quick links and then click on the send payment option to send any amount from my PayPal account to any other account. Basically, this is quite easy. What you have to do is you have to enter the bank account details provided by the Wise customer, that the person you want to send the money, ask them to send their Wise account details like the Wise account number, the Wise transfer ID, and any other details. After doing it, you can just do one thing: wait till your balance get into your bank account, because you cannot do directly this from your PayPal to Wise. But you can do one thing: first withdraw from PayPal to bank and then transfer from bank to your Wise account. Thank you so much for watching it.